So chapter 2, we have few more programs. Look at program number 1, program to perform basic arithmetic operations. The term basic is important. Basic arithmetic operators is plus, minus, multiplication, division. And actual arithmetic operators, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and modulus. So once we specify basic arithmetic in the sense addition, subtraction, multiplication and division only. You take any two numbers, a plus b, a minus b, a multiplied by b and a by b. That is a program. You read any two numbers and perform addition, subtraction, multiplication and division on all those numbers. Look at the statements clearly. Look at the declaration part, int a comma b, and look at the scanf statement. Look at all the four printf statements, a plus b, a minus b, a multiplied by b and a by b. SUB, subtraction, you just fill it. Multiplication, division, I have just given the gap there, you just fill it clearly. So you read any two numbers and perform all the operations. Look at the lab part. Enter any two numbers, you give any two numbers like 40 and 10. So 40 plus 10, 40 minus 10, 40 multiplied by 10 and 40 by 10. Isn't it? That's a program actually. So you have two numbers, 40 and 10. 40 is your A and 10 is your B. A plus B, A minus B, A multiplied by B and A by B. Program number 2. You try to observe the difference between program number 1 and program number 2. Perform basic arithmetic operations based on choice. Here, check out how many variables are there. 3 are there. A, B and choice. Observe the scanf statements also. Enter any two number, scanf AB, enter your choice and scanf choice. If choice is equal to 1, add A plus B. If choice is equal to 2, A minus B. If choice is equal to 3, A multiplied by B. If choice is equal to 4, A by B, otherwise invalid choice. If else if ladder. So what is the difference between first program and second program? In the first program, we performed all the operations. A plus B, A minus B, A multiplied by B and A by B. Whereas in case of program number 2, any one operation will be performed, that too based on your input. That is your choice. Look at lab clearly. Enter any two numbers, 40, 10. Enter your choice. If your choice is 1, A plus B. If your choice is 2, A minus B. If your choice is 3, A multiplied by B. If your choice is 4, A by B. If your choice is other than 1, 2, 3, 4, invalid choice. So here you are not performing all the operations together. You are performing any one based on your input. That is your choice. If, else, if, else and so on. You copy the program in the notes. Always try to observe the difference between each and every program. If choice 1, choice 2, choice 3, choice 4, if not 1, 2, 3, 4, invalid choice. Always try to observe the difference between each and every program. What is the logic? A number of variables, number of scanf functions, and how you are using if, before else and after else. You try to observe each and everything clearly. Look at program number 3. Perform basic arithmetic operations based on choice using switch case. Switch case, for the first time we are using switch case. Multi-conditional statement. You look at the program clearly. Difference between program number 2 and 3. Program number 2 is using if-else-if ladder and program number 3 is using switch case. Switch within brackets choice, because the program, in this program you are depending on choice. Case followed by a constant. Case 1, case space 1 space colon. Printf a plus b break. With each and every case there is a break. Case 2 a minus b, case 3 a multiplied by b, and case 4 is a by b. Look at the switch case clearly. The basic syntax of switch case is switch within brackets some constant expression, some expression, case followed by a constant value, integer constant in general. So if your choice is 1, control will be transferred to the statement in case 1. After executing the statement, break. Break is used to come out of switch case. If your choice is 3, control will be transferred to the statement in case 3, and after executing the statement you just come out of switch case. Case 1, case 2, case 3, case 4. The cases and default can be in any order. What is default? If your choice value does not match with any of the cases specified, the control will be transferred to the statement which is in default, and that statement will be executed. Take an example. If your choice is 5, there is no case 5 over there, so control will be transferred to printf invalid choice. And observe one more thing, there is no break to default. Is it necessary to write in this order like case 1, case 2, 3, 4? No need. The cases and default can occur in any order, like I can put default on the top, case 2, case 4, case 1, case 3, can be anything. But if you write it like this, it looks good and easy to understand. Any program like these type of things, if-else-if ladder, or you can use switch case. Look at the opening brackets and closing brackets clearly. Case 1 is choice 1, case 2 choice 2, case 3 choice 3, and case 4 is choice 4. Yeah, one more important thing, I didn't use \n in any of the printfs in program number 2 or 3. In program number 1 there are 4 printf statements, and I want the output in the next line. After addition, next line and next line and next line. Look at the 4th printf statement in program number 1. There is no \n, as we don't have any statement after that. There is no need of giving any \n. Whereas in program number 2 and 3, only one printf will be executed. So try to observe these type of things also. Is break necessary? Of course break is necessary. We'll see some demo programs, what happens if you won't give break also. Look at demo programs. I given two demo programs to demonstrate the concept of switch case. Look at the first program. How many variables are there? Only one variable. A is 10. Switch off A means switch off 10. The control has to be transferred to case 10, but case 10 is not there. So automatically the control will be transferred to the statement under default. So you get India. If your A is 8, you get high. If your A is 11, Mysore. Look at program number 2. There is no break. What happens if there is no break? What is the value of A? 11. So your control will be transferred to case 11. Case 11, printf high. So you get high on screen. Do you have break? No. If there is no break, the next statement will be executed. So you get high India, which we don't require in general. A is 11, go to case 11, you get high. As there is no break, the next statement you get India. If your A is 10, default. If your A is 8, hello, no break, so high, no break, India. You get hello, hi, India if your A value is 8. So break is compulsory. And default is optional, of course, default is optional. If you don't want default, you can skip it.